What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we are back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Hairvivi, for giving us this pre-customized lace front unit. Now, this came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-customized, and it looks amazing. I'm like, can I even do it like this? So not only is the hairline totally customized, but it also comes with a quote unquote fake scalp, which is a stocking cap that's already attached to the underside of the lace. All right, so before we apply the new lace, let's go ahead and take off the old one. And I'm actually using my dry cleanser to remove the lace because it doubles as a glue remover. So yes, you guys, you can use this to remove your lace and to cleanse your skin.
She's out of there. She is out of here.
All right, let's get our dry cleanser back out so we can cleanse off the entire application area. Follow up with the skin protector so we can get ready to apply this stocking cap. All right, so Polka is a full-time stylist, if y'all didn't already know. So we be having our little stylist conversations, we be talking about stylist issues. Now, this may not be all stylists, but I feel like most stylists go through the issue of their friends feeling entitled or not fully respecting their business or treating it like it's a business. But in this case, her friend is a makeup artist that actually is super strict on her. So that made me laugh.
But it's crazy because my friend, Cherie, she do makeup and I do the hair. So I give her a hard time about the makeup. Girl, she don't care. She don't cut you good. Nothing. I told you what she told me this morning. You be there at 9. I said, I don't have to be there at 12. I don't care. You need to be there at 9. When I get there, I find out she don't even got nothing to do today. She said, I'm not about to play with you. Because friends like to play.
So if I have any stylists, or not even just stylists, people in the service industry that have friends that like to push the limit, let me know in the comments below. Tell me your experiences because, girl, I used to go through it all the time. All right, so this wig, just like most wigs, comes with a drawstring and combs at the bottom for some extra security. But today I want to do a ponytail. So I'm actually going to cut that out with a razor so that you won't see it through the lace.
Carisha, please. Their lining on this wig is the shit.
It's the bomb.
Yeah, it is. Their pluck game was serious.
Okay.
Wherever they from, their pluck game was crazy.
Yes, you guys, this is how the wig came. This company did an awesome job. already know this, but the only lace glue that I use on my channel is liquid lace glue. So if you guys want your own bottle, head to galaxygirlhair.com right now. All right, now we're at the back, and I want to make sure that when I apply this glue that it's in the right place and it's not messy. So I'm going to take my white eyeliner pencil and trace the shape of the nape. All right, I don't want to shave the back. I mean, she told me I could, but I just wanted to try something new. And I don't want to put glue all over her hair. So I'm going to actually split it in half and try to only put the glue within that part. So we have a new product alert. This is our extra strength liquid lace glue. So this glue I'm trying out for the very first time. I specifically chose a stronger glue for the nape so that girls that are doing their ponytails at home or stylists can use a glue that is a little bit stronger and holds longer for the back of the lace. But as I use this glue, I'm learning that it doesn't work the same way our original liquid lace glue works. It doesn't dry as fast, all right? So you have to really wait till it gets tacky to place the lace down. And even after that, you have to cover it, maybe cover it with a black wrap and sit your client under the dryer so it can fully dry, because if it doesn't fully dry, it's going to be sticky and it's going to be hard to work with. So if you're used to using clear glue, then you already know what I'm talking about. But if this is something new to you, then you're going to have to adjust. All right, so the vibe that we're going for today is kind of like a cheerleader ponytail, really relaxed, kind of like effortless, you know? So we're not gonna do too much styling, but it's kind of like those styles where it looks effortless, but we put a lot of effort into it. So yes, we're getting the effortless look going on today. So when I try to put the hair up into a ponytail, like when the hair is dry, it's just hard. It's hard to style, the hair is not staying in place. So I'm gonna take my setting foam, which is Tropical Roots, and I'm going to kind of mold the hair up in that direction. So after she's done drying, the hair is a lot easier to style. Everything's looking really cute. Them baby hairs, that part, that lace, that hairline. Girl. All right, now that that's done, because we molded the hair going up in the direction we wanted it to go, it's gonna be a lot easier for us to put it in the ponytail and the hair is not falling everywhere and acting crazy like it was before. So now I'm gonna take my hot comb and smooth it out so it looks nice and smooth and neat. So, yes ma'am, that is it. Nothing extra, just really cute and really effortless. looking. Once again, thank you so much, Hairvivi, for sponsoring this video with this lovely 360 wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.